Hello everyone, welcome back. Izu is here. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Adobe XD. In this video, I'm going to show you how I save and reuse my assets in Adobe XD. Come with me, let's go. So here I've opened Adobe XD. I'm going to use these documents to show you how I save and reuse my assets in Adobe XD. So what are assets? Assets are things that when you are working on a project and you find them useful and you would like to use them in future projects. So things like colors, character styles, components, audio that you would like to use in future projects and you want to save them, these are called assets. So for this project, you can see that I have some icons like this battery icon, the data icon. I have colors, purple, pink. I have fonts or character style. Some of them are bold, some of them are regular, and also they have different colors. So let me go ahead and save these assets. So let me start with the battery icon. To save this asset, I'm gonna right click. Here it will say make components. So if I click on this make components, it's gonna save this asset. I think I click on the wrong thing. Let me click on the battery again, right click, make components. So here it has saved as battery icon. So let me go ahead and save this one as well. Right click, make component. So here I will save it as data icon. I think I'm going to save another component. So I'm going to save this one as make component. I'm going to save it as menu icon. So here I've saved 3 components. Let me go ahead and save colors. So here, to save column, you right click. Instead of clicking on make component, you have to click add color to assets. So I'm going to click on this one. That's added this color here. And then if I want to add this color, I'll right click again and I will click on add color to assets. So here it was able to find 2 colors, the pink and the black, which I use in the character. So here we've saved 3 colors. Let me go ahead and save character style. So I'm going to choose this one. For character style, you also right click. Instead of clicking on make components or instead of clicking on add color to assets, we're going to click on add character style to assets. So it has added this character style here. I'm going to click on this one as well. Let me click on this one. Here it's also found character. I'm going to add this add character style to asset. Let me find the character style. I want to add 3 character style. So here I've also added this character style. So here we can say we've saved 3 group of assets. So we have colors, we have character styles, and we have components. That's not the end. So how you save this document will determine if you can be able to link these assets in future projects or not. So when you want to save, you click on this hamburger menu and there will be a drop down here. So you can, if you save this, you can save in your, when you say save as local documents, this means saving this on your on your computer, on your drive. But to save this, in order to reuse it in future projects, you have to save it in a cloud. You need to save it as a cloud document. So you can either save, or you can click save as. When you click save as, that will enable you to rename these documents in the cloud. So I'm going to save it, leaving the name the way it is. So I'm going to save it like this. Like I said, to reuse these assets, you need to save it as a cloud document. Otherwise, you won't be able to reuse it in future projects. So I'm going to go ahead and click save. So let me open a new artboard, and then we're going to try to import these assets that we've already saved in this project. So I'm going to go on new. I'm going to click on custom, because this is just the my custom artboard that I normally use in my design. Okay, so here you can see here it says link assets. So I'm going to go ahead and click here to link my assets. So I can be able to link any of these artboards in this current project I'm working on. But for this video sake, I'm going to link only the one I used to demonstrate how to save and reuse the assets. I'm going to click on this Prodigious app document. So here it will populate those assets that were saved already. If you did not save this in a cloud, it won't be able to link in this current project. That's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again next week. Bye.